Welcome back! In this video, I'll show you how to replace the thumbstick cap on the PS5 DualSense Edge controller step by step. First, gently pull the thumbstick cap straight up. Don't twist or force it. Just a firm pull will release it from the module. Now take your new thumbstick cap. You can choose between different styles and heights, depending on your preference. Line up the new cap with the stick and press it down until it clicks into place. Make sure it feels secure and moves smoothly. And that's it, you've successfully swapped the thumbstick cap on your PS5 DualSense Edge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more PlayStation tips and tutorials.